Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some of my 3D printed parts for my Diatone GT, and I'm also going to provide you the files so you can download and print them yourself. Okay, first we'll start off with the GoPro mount. This is a Session 5, but the original Session will fit in here as well. You have access to your memory card from the side here. You also have access to the button on the back and also access to the top menu. Its attachment points are this cross member here on the main frame, and then these two screws on the back. So this is the SolidWorks file for the GoPro Session mount. You'll be able to fully modify this mount if you want to. I'll provide an STL for direct printing and this SolidWorks file for future editing. Next, let's talk about the side covers to help protect your electronics. This isn't something I designed. It was another offering on Thingiverse. I'll provide a link to this specific item in the description. I found they work great and provide plenty of ventilation for cooling. It also adds this handy little routing path for your antennas. I just put a piece of heat shrink over top that slips in over the antenna and helps hold it in place in between the blades. On from there, we'll talk about the motor protectors. This is a slip over design, so it actually slips over and encases the carbon, and then your motor mount screws run through the 3D print, through the carbon and into the motor. These have worked amazing and have saved my motors several times so far. Definitely highly recommended for anyone who's got this drone. It'll save you a lot of money in motors in the long run. Here's the current big fin design for the GT. I have found this not to be the most durable. Probably 1 out of every 10 to 15 crashes I'll end up breaking this and just putting a new one on. I will eventually update this design to make it more robust. Here's the GT little fin. These are great if you just need something sticking up on top of the drone so that if you end up crashing and the drone flips upside down, you can use turtle mode to flip the drone over. Lastly, I've created a battery protector. The strap holds this in place and helps to give some protection if you come in a little hard on the bottom of the drone. This has definitely saved me a few batteries so far. The only thing I'd recommend that I haven't done is to put a sticky pad on the bottom of the actual 3D printed protector. It'll help keep the battery more firmly in place. So if you do come in for a hard landing or have a crash, more likely to hold the battery in place without it going flying halfway across the field. Those are the 3D printed parts on my Diatone GTM. If you have interest in printing any of these for yourself, I'll provide a link to Thingiverse so you can download and print these and put them on your own GT.